Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on Python. We have gone through long time using Python. We have seen web development using Python with Postgres connectivity, different operation on Postgres database. Then we have seen MySQL connectivity with Python web development. We have seen MongoDB connectivity with Python web development. We have also seen lot of videos on machine learning using Python with attendance system, agent gender detection, image recognition, image recognition using attendance system, and many CNN model. Then we have seen fruits and vegetable classification. We have seen plenty of videos on machine learning. What is supervised learning? What is unsupervised learning? And we have seen lot of videos on Python. Then we have seen front end part, that is Node.js, React.js, and finally I am back with machine learning using Python, and we have gone through many videos. Today I am back with Python with new idea, with new interest, with new creative part which you can develop project using microservices. So today's topic of video is microservices. So let us go through presentation first. In brief, what are microservices? Python microservices. Python is everywhere. This is majority due to its simplicity and wide range of application. Flask is a lightweight web framework for building web application in Python. Creating microservices with Flask is really straightforward. Microservices is a software architecture style whereby an application is divided into smaller subparts. These subparts are independent of each other. They are independently deployable and scalable. Each microservice performs a specific function or a single task. Just like need of microservices, where microservices is used, that is very important to tell you. Order management, placing order, tracking status. Cart management, updating cart, calculating cart value. Customer profile, name, email, membership management, etc. Now we will go through the program. I will be showing you two programs of microservices which are really simple demo part. Now first program, this is main program of micro. For installing this part, fast API, I have struggled a lot for this installation of fast API on Ubuntu operating system. I was really excited to tell you that this part is very important if you want to run the microservices program. Fast API, this module should be installed on your system using Python, using Flask. Unless and until you install this module, web services cannot be started. So that is method hello world and items and item ID, and we will go through the execution part of the program. So I will execute the program. See, the command is different. Unicorn, man, map, app, reload part. Now I will execute. Yes, program running, server started. Now yes, hello world is displayed. Now what I will do, items and 1. Yes, item 1, q null, fine. So I successfully done with this 200 can run. Successfully done with microservices demo. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices. I hope you like this video. This is newly a new idea about Python. I will try to explore more on this topic, and also web development, and if possible machine learning. Now I will show the second program that is little bit different. Now here we can see here random number microservices. Now here when I will execute the program first time, second time, the random number will be generated. So this is the program of microservices. Yes, fine. Now, yes, random number is generated. Now I will execute the program. Then again random number will be generated. Different number will be generated. Yes, different number is generated. So I successfully done with introduction to microservices. I am really excited to do more videos on microservices. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, web development, machine learning, and many more videos on React.js, Node.js, non-stack, full stack, using Python, also using Node.js also, and React.js. So for latest technology about the Python, if you want to know, so please watch my video on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.